Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So today we are doing a detailed tutorial of this very design here. Then go ahead and price it, how much we'll be selling it, and at the end of the video I'll introduce the next episode, so make sure you watch to the end so you know exactly what we'll be doing in the next episode. We did similar one in episode 16 and 17, so I believe it's well explained. I won't bore you with too much talking. I want you to watch closely and observe it yourself because it's very well detailed. You will really understand. So I'm not going to go step by step like we usually do. Just watch closely and you will surely understand. And if you have any question, you can just put it in the comment section and I'll surely get back to you. If you really enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. It helps my channel a lot, and leave a comment if you wish. That one is really up to you. If you wish to leave a comment, I'll be much grateful. It helps with the algorithm, it helps to push my video. And please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and kindly subscribe so that you know exactly what to be doing in the next episode. And don't forget to turn on your bell notification, and I'll see you in episode 19. Yeah, and now I'm going to be uploading every single day at 12 p.m. Ghana time, every single day from Sunday to Friday except Saturday. So I'll be uploading new videos 6 times in a week. You know, like you can't miss it. You can't just miss it. So please subscribe, turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next episode is uploaded. We are still on season 2 of the Beading series, and this is episode 18. We are doing 30 amazing designs. We've already dealt with season 1, and that was about slippers, and this is season 2. So please once again subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next episode is uploaded, which will be Sunday. Today is Saturday, so which will be tomorrow, Sunday. And yeah, I'll see you in episode 19. I don't want to say bye, but then we'll surely meet in episode 19. See you.